Ever wonder why we are always waiting for something to go wrong before we do anything about it? That's the million-dollar question in healthcare. We've been stuck in this reactive mode for ages, treating diseases after they hit us. But what if I told you there's a whole new way to think about health? A way that doesn't wait for disaster to strike. Let's dive in. So, how do we flip this script? Enter artificial intelligence, but not just any AI. We're talking about AI that's evolving from just seeing things like a camera or understanding language like a chatbot to actually thinking and reasoning. Think of it like upgrading from a simple calculator to a brilliant advisor. This is where Professor Duan Yukong's DIKWP model comes in: data, information, knowledge, wisdom, and intent. It's like giving AI a brain with layers, allowing it to understand, reason, and even have intentions. This isn't just smart, it's active. It's the key to unlocking proactive medicine, where AI doesn't just follow orders but actively monitors your health and suggests interventions. Mind blown. Okay, so how does this magic actually work? Imagine a system built on 5 layers, like a pyramid of understanding. First, raw data, your heart rate, sleep patterns, everything. Then, information, making sense of that data. Next, knowledge, connecting it to medical facts. Then, wisdom, understanding the bigger picture. And finally, intent, deciding what action to take based on your goals. This isn't just techie jargon, it's the backbone of our system. And here's the kicker: it combines the best of both worlds, traditional Chinese medicine and Western medicine, into one giant, smart knowledge graph. Plus, thanks to the DIKWP framework, every decision the AI makes is transparent, no black box nonsense. It's constantly watching, learning, and ready to jump in and help before problems escalate. Let's get real. How does this look in everyday life? Picture this. Mr. Zhang, 70, starts squinting more while reading. Our system, via smart glasses, notices his reading distance is shrinking. It flags it, suggests a checkup, and even helps schedule it. That's early cataract detection, blending Western eye exams with TCM insights. Or consider Mrs. Wang, who occasionally forgets things. Smart sensors in her home notice patterns. Maybe she forgot to take her meds twice or left the stove on. The AI assistant, Xiaozhi, gently reminds her, tracks progress, and suggests cognitive exercises, acting like a digital companion. And in rural areas, we bring top-notch care right to their doorstep, using remote monitoring and AI to bridge the gap where doctors are scarce. These aren't just hypotheticals. These are real scenarios showing the power of proactive semantic fusion health. So, what's the big deal? This isn't just about cool tech. It's about tangible results. We're talking concrete standards, new patents, a fully functional platform, maybe even some smart gadgets that make health management effortless. The goal? Fewer emergency room visits, happier seniors living longer, healthier lives, and families breathing easier. This project isn't just for China, it's a potential blueprint for how the world can rethink aging and health. It's about shifting the paradigm, making prevention the default, not the exception. Pretty exciting, right?